Let's see television. Before television, you have to know about all Akashvani. The first radio center was started by British Broadcasting Company, which was established in 1922 and expanded all over the world. In India, the first radio station was started by Mumbai Presidency Club 1923. In India, it was called Nabovani. Okay, it was later named Akashvani. Okay. Akashvani gave information about government programs, projects, later on programs related to entertainment, social awareness, literacy were broadcast. Okay, programs were broadcast in 24 language and 146 dialects from Vividh Bharati. It is the most famous program, that is Vividh Bharati. Recently, private radio station, that is Radio Mirchi, are provided that radio service. Okay, let's see television. The Delhi Doordarshan Center. Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan at Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its programs on 1st May 1972. Color television was introduced on 15th August 1982. In 1991, the Indian government granted the permission to private national and international channels to telecast in India. Thus, it becomes possible for Indians to watch international events on television. The first president of our India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, inaugurated the Delhi Doordarshan Center. Mumbai Doordarshan was started on 2nd October 1st May 1972. Okay, and color television was introduced on 15 August 1982. Okay, let's see why do we need mass media. हमें मास मीडिया की जरूरत है कि नहीं? Yes or no? Yes, we need mass media. Why? Because we need mass media to facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society. अगर मीडिया ही नहीं होगी तो जो दुनिया भर में खबरें जो हो रही है, जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, नॉट ओनली न्यूज़ बट ऑल्सो इंफॉर्मेशंस जो है वो हमें किससे पता चलती है? मास मीडिया से पता चलती है. अगर वो ही नहीं होगा तो हमें जो चल रहा है वो समझ में आएगा क्या? नहीं. अगर किसी को ज़रूरत है तो ये मीडिया की वजह से हमें पता चलता है. कोई मुसीबत में है या फिर कुछ दूसरे देश में जो घटित हो रहा है वो भी किससे पता चलता है? मास मीडिया से पता चल सकता है. और इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है अगर वो भी किससे पता चल सकती है? हमें मास मीडिया से. Editorials, various columns and supplements are essential parts of newspaper. Readers are also ensured of a platform to voice their opinion. Newspaper can help in making the democracy stronger. Television is an audio-visual medium. We studied before. It is an audio-visual medium. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitation of newspaper and the radio and show the actual visual of an event to people. So far, there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. To facilitate free flow of information to all strata of the society, the mass media is very useful. To avail a platform to readers to express their view, their opinion, their thoughts, it is useful. It is useful to make democracy stronger. It is useful to create social awareness and educate the mass. Okay, and as television show visual and images, as a television is an audio visual medium, it overcomes the limitation of newspaper. ये न्यूज़पेपर की लिमिटेशन को क्रॉस करता है जिससे जो घटित हो रहा है वो हम विजुअली और ऑडियो विजुअल मीडियम से हम पता कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी क्रिटिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन रिसीव्ड थ्रू मास मीडिया. Any information received through mass media needs to reviewed critically. The news of information in the media may not always represent exact truth. It is a main point. जो अभी भी हो रहा है हम जो देख रहे हैं, इज इट ट्रू और नॉट, ये एग्जैक्ट ट्रूथ है क्या? ऑलवेज मीडिया ट्रू होती है क्या? नो. वी नीड टू स्कैन it very carefully. There is a very famous event, unauthentic information appearing in print in Germany. Stern and German Weekly magazine had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. It sold them through various publication companies. The diaries were verified for their authenticity, and subsequently the news appeared in the print. However, later those diaries were proved to be forged. It becomes apparent from this example that we need to be very careful about the information published by the media. Information received through mass media should be reviewed critically. The news or information printed in newspaper or shown on television may not represent exact truth. वो truth बताती है, ये truth है कि नहीं, वो exact वो हमें पता नहीं है. Handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler were published by magazines in Hamburg city of Germany. Those diaries were later proved that be forged. तो इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, हमें जो भी पब्लिश हो रहा है वो केयरफुली क्या करना है, हमें स्कैन करना है. Let's see next point. Mass media and professional opportunity. Newspaper have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It provides fulfill task, fresh news to its reader. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. At such times, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happen in the past. उनको क्या करना चाहिए, कंपेयर करना चाहिए पैरेलल इवेंट से जो पास्ट में घटित गई हुई है. The past events may be printed in a separate frame. Okay. Thus, the reader gets access to additional information and he can get better insights about the current news. Newspaper print columns about the historical information appearing under the headings such as 50 years ago, 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical document. जिसमें 50 years ago, 100 years ago यहाँ पे लिखा है वो क्या है, historical document है, रिटर्न हिस्ट्री है और रिटर्न हिस्ट्री है. हिस्ट्री जो हुआ है वो उसमें हेडिंग्स में लिखा होता है. ऑन हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट और रिटर्न हिस्ट्री. दिस कॉलम्स प्रोवाइड हिस्टोरिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये क्या है, हिस्टोरिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन है. व्हाट अबाउट इकोनॉमिकल, सोशल, पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स, द पास्ट एंड आल्सो इवेंट्स ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस. ये क्या है, न्यूज़पेपर प्रिंट जिस कॉलम में हिस्ट्री के बारे में लिखा होता है वो 50 ईयर्स एगो, 100 एगो ऐसे कुछ लिखा होता है. ये क्या बताते हैं, हिस्टोरिकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बारे में बताते हैं जो किससे जो हिस्टोरिकल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं. व्हाट अबाउट इकोनॉमिकल, सोशल, पॉलिटिकल इवेंट्स इन द पास्ट एंड आल्सो इवेंट्स ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस.